Hello friends, our today's topic estimation of blood urea by Barthelot method. Summary: urea is the end product of protein metabolism. It is synthesized in the liver from the ammonia produced by the catabolism of amino acids. It is transported by the blood to the kidneys from where it is excreted. Clinical significance: increased in number 1 renal diseases, number 2 urinary obstructions, number 3 shock, number 4 congestive cardiac failure, number 5 burns, decreased in number 1 liver failure, number 2 pregnancy. Principle: urease catalyzes the conversion of urea to ammonia and carbon dioxide. The ammonia released reacts with a mixture of salicylate, hypochlorite and nitroprusside to yield a blue-green colored compound indophenol. The intensity of color produced is proportional to the concentration of urea in the sample and is measured photometrically at 600 nanometer or with yellow filter. This is the reaction procedure and final product is blue-green colored compound indophenol. Kit presentation: number 1 enzyme reagent, that is R1. Number 2 chromosome solution, that is R2. Number 3 hypochlorite solution, that is R3. Number 4 standard, which concentration 40 mg per dl, that is R4. Working reagent preparation: all reagents are ready to use. Reagent storage and stability: all the reagents included in the kit are stable at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius until the expiry date indicated on the bottle label. The hypochlorite solution is stable for 6 months at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius after the first opening. Other accessories: number 1 micropipette 100 to 1000 microliter, number 2 micropipette 10 microliter, number 3 micropipette 1000 microliter, number 4 microtips 2 to 200 microliter, number 5 microtips 1000 microliter, number 6 tissue paper, number 7 semi-auto analyzer. Sample material: serum plasma. Urea is reported to be stable in the serum for 5 days when stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Normal values: serum plasma in urea 10 to 45 mg per dl. Procedure: wavelength or filter 570 nanometer, mercury 578 nanometer or yellow filter, temperature 37 degrees Celsius or room temperature, light path 1 centimeter. Bring all the reagents to room temperature before performing the assay. First of all, pipette into clean dry test tubes labeled as B stands for blank, S stands for standard and as per serial number of the patient ID in the test tubes. Now add 100 microliter reagent 1, that means R1 enzyme reagent in all the test tubes. Now add R2, that means Promogen solution, 900 microliter in all the test tubes. Now I add 10 microliters standard, that means R4, in S labeled test tube. Wipe off the microtube surface properly. Then add 10 microliter serum as per serial number of the patient test tubes. Then mix well and incubate for 3 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. After 3 minutes, now add R3, that means hypochlorite solution, 1000 microliter in all the test tubes. Then mixed well and incubate for 5 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Mix well and read the absorbance of the sample and standard against reagent blank at 578 nanometer, that means 570 to 620 nanometer. Now we are going to programming parameters. Reaction type 8 point, reaction slope increase, incubation time 3 plus 5 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius, wavelength 578 nanometer, that means 570 to 620 nanometer, blank reagent blank, sample volume 10 microliter, standard concentration 40 mg per dl, R1 100 microliter, R2 900 microliter, R3 1000 microliter, low normal 10 mg per dl, high normal 45 mg per dl, linearity up to 350 mg per dl. Now we are going to run test. First of all, click on the urea. Aspirate water. Then aspirate reagent blank. Save yes. Then aspirate standard. Save yes. Then standard runs as a sample. It's absolutely okay. Then aspirate sample ID as per serial number. And write the result on a register book.